Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these nesting end tables slash side tables slash nightstand. You can really use these for whatever you want. These have this amazing fake marble finish on top. Super aesthetically pleasing and also very easy to clean. Can really fit any type of space you may have. The thing I like about these is they are very lightweight, so you can easily move them around and assemble them how you like. You could also use the small one just for like side things, maybe like an actual side table, put your drinks, put your food, put small items on here. And then the bigger one you can use as a coffee table, maybe put your laptop, put your work on here. Super convenient that way. The thing I like about these is underneath them, they have these pads so you won't scrape any hard surfaces that you may encounter. Overall, I really enjoy them. They really fit any type of space and they're super malleable in the way that you can use them. I really recommend them. Only took me about maybe 15-25 minutes to assemble, so not long at all. And yeah, thanks for watching.